Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got another bulk box. I know I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but I want to show you what I got and in what condition it is. It's an uninspected return, so let's get into it and see what we find. In games, Guardians of the Galaxy, Lego, Our Generation case that I got from BulQ.com, BulQ, as you can see. It comes with 31 items in the case. I paid a total of $159.65, which makes each item worth $5.15. So this is uninspected returns. It's got a lot of stuff that I'm excited about because we're getting ready to go into kind of third quarter, fourth quarter stuff. So toys is a good thing to always find. So condition is going to be number one on this. So let's get in here and just see what we got. Alrighty. It's supposed to have a lot of Guardians of the Galaxy type stuff, and box condition is going to be huge. Looks like we do have a lot of Guardians of the Galaxy stuff. Uninspected returns, it looks pretty good to me. I don't see really any damage at all on the box. It's completely sealed. Looks like all the pieces are in there. When they have little indentations, it's a lot easier to just discover whether or not it's missing anything. So sometimes with uninspected returns, you'll get like a set like this, and then it won't have the mask or it won't have the little weapon with it. So just make sure you watch that kind of stuff. So we've got one of those. I need to take this box down and just lay everything on the table. There we go. All right, so we've got two, still similar condition. 3, 4, this is awesome. 5, so $5.15. I know I can flip these for more. 6, 7, looks like everything, they're a little bit different guns in some of them. I think, nope, I was looking at it wrong, they're all the same. 8, 9, 10, 11, good gravy. This is awesome. 12, 13, whoop, whoop, 14. Let's hope these are worth something, huh? 15, that's kind of the main reason I got the box. 16, 17. This is going to make it really super convenient to list. 18 total of the Guardians of the Galaxy. So part of the reason why I like liquidation is because you can get a lot of the same items and it's not going to cost me anything. So if you want to take a look at that again. So Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Let's see what else we got in this box. It said Lego. We have got, looks like it's unopened. It's still got the factory seal on the edges. The box is a little bit smushed. But it has all the pieces, so that's a biggie. So I can look into the condition and decide where I want to put it. So this is the Hobbit Battle of the 5 Armies. Got that one. And anybody who buys these Lego sets knows they're about $30 or $40 for this size of a box. So I got 1, and this one's in great condition. 2, same thing. So again, easy listing. I should probably have all of this listed within just a couple of minutes. All right, what do we got here? A random pony, Pegasus. It looks like it's a Minimus Disney Junior. Oh, this is from one of the Disney cartoons on Sophia the First. This is her little horsey that she rides. So it's a Disney show. I don't know if it's still on TV. It might still be. This is a Skip Hop soft activity book. So it's a baby soft activity book. Looks like we got a couple of different ones of those. So one of those, 2 of those, 3 of those. Then we've got some Our Generation, which is equivalent to the, it's the Target brand of the My Life doll that Walmart carries. And it's basically the My Life doll and the Our Generation are the knockoff of the American Girl dolls. So that's what we've got here. So as you can see, box condition is pretty rough, so I will probably end up selling these on eBay or put them in like new condition on Amazon. I definitely will not sell them new, even though they're still in the package and there's nothing wrong with the actual doll. If you're wanting to get a gift for, you know, your daughter or something like that, you don't want it to come in a box that looks like this. So I'll probably list these as used like new, just because the doll is not used, but the box is definitely in rough condition. So looks like the same thing with this one. These, I know the Walmart version sells for about $27, and so $5.15 each into these things. I probably could get a $10 bill out of it for sure, you know, maybe sell it for 10 or 15 bucks used like new. So I'll probably do the Amazon used platform. If I can't do that, then I will definitely do eBay. All right, then we've got Spider-Man doll. The box is less than desirable. This gives you a good variety of the uninspected returns. Like, I probably scored really big with the Guardians of the Galaxy and the Lego ones, but these ones are just in rough condition. So there's really not much I can do other than probably throwing it on eBay and saying box is damaged, figurine is brand new, and I'll make sure that there's no scuffs or anything on the figurine. So just watch your condition, so you can score big, because really, am I gonna make my money on this piece? Not really. I'm gonna make it right here. So let me grab the other one. The other one is a it's what, I don't know who he is. He's the bad Spider-Man. So just with the black outfit. So Spider-Girl maybe? I don't know. Nope, this is a guy. All right, so the box is open on that one as well. And then I've got some Huggies. This has been open. There's a hole in it. Huggies, little swimmers. So that might be something, if I have a friend who has a baby, just donate. Same thing here, little swimmers. So I have seen stuff in worse condition from BulQ.com, but I'm really excited about these guys. I definitely think that I should be able to make my money back. So I'll do a second video to kind of give you the breakdown of what I think I can make on it and where I think I'm going to sell each item. But hopefully this has been helpful to give you an idea of what uninspected returns of a toy lot from BulQ.com looks like. So keep hustling out there and making some money with your online reselling. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.